Good afternoon, my grade 8 students. This is your Sir Peter John Kawilan. For short, you can just call me Sir PJ. I am your teacher in PE. So in this third quarter, we will be discussing about the indoor recreational activities. So under this lesson, we'll be talking about the game called Scrabble. But before that, I'm going to show you first our objective for today's lesson. First is discuss the nature and background of the game Scrabble. Second, explain the benefits that can be derived from playing Scrabble. And lastly, apply knowledge of rules and regulations and strategies in playing Scrabble. So before we begin, let's have a word scramble game. So you will going to guess the word by unscrambling the letters. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds every item to unscramble the word, unscramble the letter. A word game in which 2 to 4 players score points by forming words from individual letter tiles on a game board marked by 15 by 15 grid. So you have your 5 seconds to answer. Okay, so the correct answer is Scrabble. So the next is game equipment consisting of flat tin piece marked with characters and used in board games like Mahjong and Scrabble. 5 seconds. The correct answer is tiles. Now the next one. The act of playing a word on a board that stops the opponent from making potentially large score. Okay, the correct answer is blocking. Next, a letter that will spell a new word when it is played with in front or at the end already on the board. Okay, the correct answer is hook. Lastly, any word placed that uses all 7 letters on the rack, earning bonus of 50 points. Yeah, the correct answer is bingo. So I hope you enjoy our activity. Now, um, I'm going to discuss the Scrabble. I'm going to discuss about the Scrabble. Scrabble is a word game in which 2 to 4 players score points by forming words from individual letter tiles on game board marked by 15 by 15 grid. We also have here the example of the Scrabble board. It has a 15 by 15 grid as you can see, and at the center we have the star square at the center. Now tiles. Uh, Game equipment consisting of flat tin piece marked with characters and used in board games like Mahjong and Scrabble. So this is all we need when we play the game Scrabble. Yun, kailangan natin ng yung tiles, also the Scrabble board, and also the paper and pen. Um, Scrabble. Scrabble recognized as an excellent means for increasing vocabulary and word power. It helps improve analytical skills and sharpens mathematical ability. And the ability will develop more if you directly engage in the game with your family or your friends. That. So here we have the 10 benefits in playing Scrabble. So number 1, teaches you the vocabulary. So matututo ka kung ano yung mga matututo ka sa mga panibagong vocabulary na malaman mo. Ganun. Number 2, helps develop your intellectual abilities. So number 3, it teaches you a strategy. So matututo ka ng bagong strategy. Number 4, encourage social cooperation and bonding. Number 5, it helps you improve your emotional well-being and personal confidence. Number 6, it improves your creativity. Number 7, develops your concentration. Number 8, foster learning through creative play. Number 9, helps you boost the immune system. And lastly, number 10, Scrabble makes you happy. Now we're going to proceed with the history of the game Scrabble. So it originally called Quiz Cross. The game, which was based on the crossword puzzles and anagrams, was developed by Alfred M. Butts, an architect in 1931. So it was redesigned, renamed as Scrabble, and marked by James Brunot in 1948. So it was first sold in the Great Britain in 1954. And now, we're going to proceed into the game setup. So place all the letter tiles on the pouch or face down beside the board and mix them up. Then, draw for first play. So, after that, the player with the letter closest to A, yun yung unang maglalaro. So, a blank tile beats any letter. After that, return the letter to the pool and remix. All players draw 7 new letters, each and place them in their own racks. Now, the gameplay. The first player combines 2 or more of his or her letter to form a word and places the word on the board to read or across or down with one letter on the star square. This square has a double word score. So this is the center star square. Ayan. So the first player can place a word either across or down with one letter on it. Yan. So you can also see other squares with extra point values double letter or score doubles the letter value. Tiles. Game equipment consisting of flat tin piece marked with characters and used in board games like Mahjong, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Each of the letter have a point of value. So, we're going to, for example, the J and X has a 8 points, and the Q and Z has a 10 points. So, these letter are called power tiles. Papansin nyo naman na kapag itong nasa una blank tile, yan yung mga letters na kapag ano. Yan. So, this last one, 8 to 10, that was power tiles. So, count tiles done before and after the game to ensure there are 100 tiles. So, ginagawa lang yung count tiles kapag tapos ng laro kasi there was a limit na 100 tiles lang yung kailangan gamitin. Next is bingo. Any word play that uses all the 7 letters on the rack, earning a bonus of 50 points. So, nakikita nyo naman dito sa baba, malinaw naman na kung may 7 letters then you will going to multiply it. Kaya hanggang sa makuha nyo yung points na 50 points. Yun na yung tinatawag na bingo. So, duplication. Duplication, a term describe a rack that has more than one of a given letter. So, yun kapag may ano pa siya, mas dagdag na letter, parang ganun. So, itong double naman, a player makes a play with letters that cover 2 double words Ito, kunwari, pag yung may words na ano, dito sa pangalawang picture, may words na pa taas, may words na pa baba, pwede yun. Ganun, double words pair. Now, hook. Hook letter, aka hook. A letter that will spell a new word where it's played with the in front or the end already on the board. Yan, kikita nyo sa baba. That's the example of hook. The blocking. It's act of playing a word or the word that stop the opponent from making potentially large score. So, blocking is yung ganito. Makikita nyo dito sa baba na kapag yung words na gusto niyang gamitin is na block, kunwari dito sa tricks o binlock niya, hindi mo na siya pwedeng lagyan kasi na block na ng kalaban. And now we're going to proceed into our activity. Write down the letter of the correct answer. So babasahin ko yung tanong and yung letters, then you're going to answer it. First, a word game in which 2 to 4 players score points by forming words from individual letter tiles on the game board marked by 15 by 15 grid. A. Monopoly. B. Scrabble. Letter C. Chess. Letter D. Domino. Now, number 2. This is done before and after the game to ensure there are 100 tiles. Letter A, count tiles. Letter B, blocking. Letter C, end game. And letter D, pass. Number 3. Any wordplay that uses all the 7 letters on the rack, earning a bonus of 50 points. Letter A, castling. Letter B, checkmate. Letter C, bingo. Letter D, check. Number 4. A term describes a rack that has more than one of a given letter. Letter A, hook. Letter B, blocking. Letter C, bingo. Letter D, duplication. Now, number 5. A letter that will spell a new word when it's played with in front or at the end already on the board. Letter A, duplication. Letter B, hook. Letter C, blocking. Letter D, bingo. We proceed to number 6. The act of playing a word on a board that stops opponent from making potentially large score. Letter A, duplication. Letter B, blocking. Letter C, hook. Letter D, bingo. Number 7. A player may pass his or her turn by not exchanging tiles and not making play on the board. Letter A, duplication. Letter B, blocking. Letter C, pass. Letter D, challenge. Number 8. The portion of scramble game when there are less than 7 tiles left to draw from the back. Letter A, end game. Letter B, blocking. Letter C, pass. Letter D, challenge. Number 9. It is recognized as an excellent means for increasing vocabulary, word power. Letter A, domino. Letter B, chess. Letter C, checkers. Letter D, Scrabble. And lastly, papaka-basic lang na itong last na tanong. What is my real name? So, siguro alam niyo naman yan. Sinabi ko naman kanina, nagpakilala naman ako before we proceed into our discussion. Okay. Now, the last activity, we're going to write an essay writing. So here's the direction. Explain the basic rules of Scrabble, how is the game played, and what are the objectives. Provide examples of players can strategically use letter tiles to maximize their score. So I will give you 10 minutes to do this activity, but before that I will share you the rubric so that you will be guided on how your activity will be graded. So here are the rubrics. So description, detailed discussion, maximizing the point value, 15 points. So true explanation of the importance of forming words in the later trials, 10 points. The correct grammar, spelling, okay, punctuation, 5 points. So you're going now to proceed to your activity. Okay, I guess you're already done. Um, I now lastly we're going to have an assignment. Make an advanced reading regarding the topic chess and give me the following rules on how to play it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.